And Papa Papas, the husband to man, get the last born about Professor Mokobe Ramos, which explains why I cannot go really close to you. Right? Ke woman ka mokreya. Ke a theoga ka ke intendisa what ke a theoga ma ke fihle go square sela sa ke shopo tsela pele ke ne le khomo mareka or what anyway.
Go Ram Square.
Yeah. Ke namela ka Ramokopa. Ekwe ke tlo shopo e. Ke bona bafana ba 11 ne ba pack shop. And
ba explain ma pack shop ke nga ba itse ke ma pack shop.
Le bitso la itlhalotse self explanatory. Ke tswere brave ba itse ke halalela ne. Ke apere hempe tse ne di tsene fashioneng go re tsa di nylon go re ga apere di transparent go apere vest go re vest ya tlhaela ke bethile ka yona. Ke bethile ka ne re bitsa bike ne re ke start press go re very light ke re gile mo John Creek since it's already got and then ke apere buruku start press se navy ke bethile ka magazine ya Boston. So he ke feta mola o mo motela ka le kana le yona ka height mara mo feta ka mmele o tsa bolela na we teka we ba motho ke tlosa ka letsogo le lewa for the second time o tsa bolela we be ke tlosa ka letsogo le lewa. So from the look of things umthaka o na batla gore ha tsa bolela ha e be ya mo ke mse matso ke close and then kamo it's 15 rand and nna le we lano ka le lewa for the third time ha ile ba ke tlosa ke ro itne ke ro wa juga batho o ka re bana wena bana ya go bafana ba le na ba tsubile di patse ne para bola mpya ene ke thoma bona o ka pine ile ha tswa ke no bona e blanka mo letsatsing a kana na be di araro kanore one face is 11 ba tsubile di patse there is no way ka tho ha ke tho baikela itsena ke mo ire bjane ka grip am and then atopa le tlapa le lona ka leshiane and then di impele tsone bjane di phazame plus wa bona re ke shoti bjane ke thoma ke shiane ke di mo bona tsinyane ka khona fukon ka go 14 ngoma ha bo boss
Braboso yes mutsuenya
last born ya go no ke nele Braboso ele my score Matule because mem ki Braboso ki my score I think ki Matule ki mona he ki mem I think Matule the previous day Saturday nele 21st birthday I don't know man no kharita mona santse se tsi casted what yeah Sena ka motla sa morito wa skha wa perekisi man ba mpha khoko is the more ke juluka man ebe ka tsoka spirika re ke fitlhelo ke fufa mmata ke eng ke ya motlhalosetsa ma ha ya no motho ba tloele man ba tla go bona ba tshwana le bona man a ra twa ra go number 65 motlhabane ka ko malo a dropa bravery le pai right in the same spot good when that is in there took place nearly 12:05 inside Rekala was not even a single person. Can't Mishmanola. Has not speaking machine. However, on the left hand side, in a Gitama Moyo, Okopanali Uncle Liana Umumbia, Kuriki bra uncle. I'm Mutzisa. What have you once smoke at Tipasat? And then I heard of Mutzis. Both boss about an investigation. Pagara Mishmanola Nana Maseko Variki Floshen. And Floshen, Nelly Gangstan was Manavati in peace. But at the end of every month, Panama Latreno go pike. Bakotusa went at the watch and go Bopolukan about Kotusa right? After Bopolukan as well, Gangstan was. So after 3 weeks, possible Mukeria Vamonsa 3 teeth and then ba mo tshwara moshimane they are 9 to 15. 9 to 15 kore minimum ke 9 years, and if you are not well behaved then it's 15 years. Ke tlhola ke fofa mara wa itse laida kore ke tswele ka bullet ne ka pfu ka sia le letla.
That's why after mo fara mo le fesa I etsa karate.
Tsamaya so di my fuck you man.
Na etsa karate. Auto na etsa karate. When he was my parish priest. Was in the labor. No, na etsa karate.
No, why ya karate ikile. From Belgium Louvain, it's legally gastric peptic ulcers. It's my treatment for 6.5 years in California every month. And it can also tension, you know, when emotional tension. So what are the exercises I can do to
cool down?
Yeah, to cool down. Secondly, of course, kuma TV starter. I put on phenomenon about get leave. Nakala kana lana ka hai le me. O iltita go console. Isa le junior heroes. O ba kola ke di chelete tshuni ba re ke uniform. O tsa chelete. I can confront. I don't know how long I will lie. I don't know when I went down. America who please out to them to Uscano level of fellow. I small no, I'll deal with the angels. I'll deal with the angels. When I know about how umkona in terms of reasoning, over emotional.
No, Marfara. No, Yakarati before Oyakobo Control. Nakola Nagola Usaris repeatedly.
Ah, when I said the exercise, go with their Leslie Mkulu. Yeah. I don't know what our rape system
or Tamisaka Capitally how Reakala
1965. Kunkoela, Marie Key.
Arisa Kaku was better. I spent the whole day. I tell our days.
And on every 4th Sunday, we used to go across M4. Where I mean, yeah, the black farm workers who exploited Kimagudwa. But I do get someone was
from the first little I could have a Mewale Buru as Takili. What's the late?
No, I was
Salar will cooperation. Can I go racism? Missile racism. Missing one of our no, Lena little racism masker. Can I go Sali Bohaleham?
It used to be very tough. Monali Burha Rebile, Mam Africa. Mam Africa and about Muchacha Bakena attempt to Monoli. But when are you there say, Kari, Musaliwali Guru Walko? Immediately, no young part. No young part. No appeal. No appeal. And a lot of people who got Kimagu, those were not the actual culprits. They just say, La di Kafar Frank. And that's why Monsignor McGuinness in 1975 away December, people in December, I suggest I will give a chaplain to the guy's sentenced to hang. I said, no, I can't. Immediately I felt it was going to affect me emotionally, psychologically, and furthermore, Motelora has saying he's not the actual culprit. He's going to be hanged the following day.
Yeah, people took you so hard, they were on the online.
Was it strictly for people who actually raped, or even if you had
other cases?
Even if you had a consensual relationship with
Oh yeah.
No, you were prosecuted because you were black.
You are black. And therefore, their so-called immorality act. You could not be in love with you're punished. And I'm 68. I had to say clean bus, and then I'm physically with Simon. And I heard some motor pavement day. They know how to swell out to the motor, how to get it good. We should tell the bus and so on. And that for we stop enere Santini, Brudestrom, Kamo ere Harty BS or Rustenbeck. Elsa Makayona ele Santini. Behind Atridge, no only say Pamon, Flag Plus. A lot of brutalities took place there. A number of political activists, they would be interrogated, Kimabura, Go John Foster, Bokompolum, and then have a Felice, Bamu blindfold, Tensegamukolo, Bamukisemol. And here Bamukisamu before Batalena, Baraka Voros, Baraka Magala Magura. Abafika Mola, Bamofella, Matoka Mumarauli Mautu, and then Mabata Sten, Babadi, Kum, Kota, Patella Petrol, Bamofella Modafe, Baramoi, at the same time we send on many of our political activists. And King John Foster, in the year 2050.
Yes, John Foster.
A number of our political activists were thrown 25 stories.
Like what David Webster.
And then Barwi Polai. And some of our political activists, Baba say helicopter, military helicopters towards Namibia and so Atlantic. How are you Baba la go class, ne? Come on, what in? The water le lorry, the Tafana Lona little park. And some of the unused mines, no long producing mines. Balaketi, but and no Katsabo, Komati, what? Balakisa, Bustanza pipe.
Like we don't know where Stanza Pape is until today.
Balatis Gamola and the crocodile, Haiji, and things to do with so Balatis come since my pay. Because anything a gram is will it fears or it can be poisoned again. So it's about Gamona Pape. And a crocodile, the grip thing equals to 5 times, just the grip. Second thing, crocodile, how you like a cow, man. The moment it grabs you, it goes underneath the water away. And then you try Savan, it drowns you for about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. And after that, it's all slightly on the surface of the water. You're ground chicken, you're for 3 hours. One of the most cruel animals, ne? They did that.